Good morning, all of you. Myself, Aditya Kumar. I am standing here to say some line on topic on UN. United Nations International Organization establishment on October 24, 1945. The United Nations was the second multi-purpose international organization established in 20th century that was worldwide in scope and membership. It precedes the League of Nations was created by the Treaty of Versailles in 1990 and banned in 1945. Headquarter of UN in New York. Its official language is Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. Main organ of the UN. In order to achieve its objective, the UN Charter has established 6 different working groups called organs that serve different functions. They are first, the General Assembly; second, the Security Council; third, the Security Court, the International Court of Justice; fifth, the Economics and Social Council; sixth, the Trusteeship Council. The UN serves agent and funds for discharging its functions. Some of them: Food Agriculture Organization (FAO), International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA), International Funds and Agriculture Department (IFAD), World Health Organization (WHO), World Bank (WB), etc. India and the UN. India has been a member of UN since its inception. It signed the UN Charter in 1945. Though India was not an independent country at that time, the British authorized India to join the UN. Later, India was also elected as member of Security Council. India has always given its support to the UN for promoting peace by sending its troops as a part of UNPKF, United Nations Peacekeeping Force, to various countries at war. Thank you.
All of you, I am standing here to say something about UN. Firstly, we know that what is UN. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization. Its aim is to maintaining peace and security provided to the country. It is the world's largest and the most familiar international organization. It was founded on 24th October 1945. Its membership has grown from 51 to the current is 193. Its headquarters in New York and the United Nations. Now we know the fact of United Nations. The most recent country to be admitted to the UN is South Sudan in 2011. South Sudan. Next, it picked Peacekeeping Force Companion 116,919 field force from the country. Now we know the main purpose of UN: to keep peace throughout the country. We develop friendly relationship among nations. Thanks.
My name is Zayan Reza and today's topic is United Nations. What is United Nations? United Nations is the international organization which is established in 1945. There are 193 members in United Nations. The purpose of United Nations is to provide peace in the world and to provide peace and security to the world. Its administrative officer is chief ideal and advocate for all the world's people, especially the poor and unfavorable. The Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council for a 5-year renewal term. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Almai Isa. Today I am present here to say few lines about United Nations. What is United Nations? United Nations is an intergovernmental organization of many countries. It has 5 main members known as Big Five or P5: Russia, France, China, US and UK. The aim of United Nations is to maintain the international security among all countries. It promotes the well-being of the world and also maintain the cooperate and friendly relation between all nations in global level. History of United Nations. United Nations was first proposed by President Franklin D. Roosevelt in Tehran, Iran, 1953, to the leader of Soviet Union, Joseph Stalin. United Nations UN was formed after World War II in 1943 by 51 countries.
1945, 45
43. It has 6 official languages: French, Arabic, Russian, English, and Spanish, among which Chinese. It is the first General Assembly. It has largest force among containing 123 countries. It was the first organization that fought for human rights. The work done by NATO in recent time are United Nations it helped in Afghanistan by giving $667 billion. It also helped in division of Sudan. It has in current time it has 193 members. The last member of United Nations is West Sudan. The headquarters of United Nations is in New York. Thank you.